This is Domino in the Lisshof trial block in Prince Alfred Hamlet. This variety is 7 days before Flopria. It harvests week 47 in the Ceres area. The rootstock of this variety is GF with the interstem Montclar. Size here is medium, large and extra large. The color is very good at the moment and the Brix is 12. This is second leaf trees now, so still very young.